Workiz and Service Fusion both push field service teams toward the same goal: fewer missed jobs and less manual scheduling. But they approach it in very different ways. Workiz leans heavily into phone-based lead handling and fast dispatching. Service Fusion focuses more on full operational control, from quoting to invoicing in one system. By the end, you'll know which one fits your business better based on how you get jobs, how you schedule work, and how much control you want over reporting and invoicing. Workiz is built around speed at the front end of your business. It captures leads, tracks calls, and turns phone inquiries into scheduled jobs quickly. That matters most for service businesses where most new work comes in through calls, not web forms. If your phone rings all day, Workiz is designed to keep those leads from slipping away. Service Fusion takes a broader approach. It's built to manage the entire workflow after the lead comes in. That includes quoting, scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and reporting in one system. It's structured more like an all-in-one back-office tool for contractors who want everything centralized instead of split across tools. Now the key difference is how you actually run your day. Workiz is stronger if your biggest problem is speed and response time. You get leads in, assign jobs fast, and keep communication moving without delay. It reduces friction at the intake stage. Service Fusion is stronger if your biggest problem is organization and visibility. You can see jobs moving through each stage, track costs, and manage billing in a more structured way. It's less about fast lead capture and more about controlling the full job lifecycle. There is also a difference in complexity. Workiz feels lighter and faster to learn because it focuses on fewer core actions. Service Fusion feels heavier, but that's because it covers more parts of the business in one system. So the decision comes down to this. If your bottleneck is missed calls or slow scheduling, Workiz fits better. If your bottleneck is messy workflows and scattered job tracking, Service Fusion makes more sense. Workiz gives you speed at the front end. Service Fusion gives you structure at the back end. Start by identifying where you lose the most time today. That tells you which direction matters more. If this comparison helped, like the video, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of field service software without the jargon.